Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones EDIFIER W830NB using application. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. Then click on factory settings at the bottom right here and click again here. Confirm. Now, hide the application and open settings. Then Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. And then click on your headphones right here. Forget this device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device. And now we should see it as a device list. Click on it. And we did it! Now if we're returning to the application, we will have it. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!